have a delicious salad with tzatziki sauce for you. It's very easy to make and you can prepare it in a layered version, but it's equally tasty mixed. You'll find the exact ingredient amounts in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to the channel. First, let's make the sauce. I have a medium greenhouse cucumber, which I grated coarsely with the skin on. I set it aside and then squeezed out the excess water very thoroughly. Next, add 300 g of thick plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, then a tablespoon of lemon juice, a small bunch of dill, a tablespoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic pressed through a garlic press. Add more if you like. Our salad dressing is now ready. Set it aside for a moment. Layer romaine lettuce at the bottom of the bowl. You can also use iceberg. Add 2 chicken fillets fried with your favorite spices. I use Gyros seasoning. Then spread some of the prepared sauce. The next layer is canned corn, diced red pepper, thinly sliced leeks, and cover everything with the remaining sauce. Finally, garnish with dill and our delicious, colorful salad is ready. Prepare it layered or mixed. It'll be tasty either way. Enjoy!